When mobility needs extend beyond the scope of a conventional portable folding ramp, the durable Gateway 3G solid surface portable ramp is your answer. With 3 different options, you can select the ramp style that fits your exact needs. Choose from a ramp only, a ramp with 2-line handrails and loops, or a ramp with vertical picket handrails and loops. The ramp-only option was primarily intended for individuals using a mobility device such as a scooter, wheelchair, or walker that do not necessarily need handrails as a guide when moving up or down the ramp. This option is a simple solution with its one-piece design, which means no assembly or movable parts. Just set the ramp in the desired position and it's ready to use. The ramp with 2-line handrails and loops is an ideal solution for those needing a safe, secure, and stable guide when utilizing the ramp. The 2-line handrails feature a brushed architectural finish and consist of a smooth, continuous top rail that is welded for extra strength and durability, a second rail that provides an additional gripping surface, and rounded end loops for terminating the handrail at the top and bottom of the ramp. Assembly is quick and easy considering the top rail and second rail come pre-assembled, which means all that's left to do is secure the handrail post to the ramp and attach the end loops. This is a simple and quick process requiring minimal tools. The ramp with vertical pickets and loops offers an additional level of safety, especially for children and pets. Each handrail section features a brushed architectural finish and consists of a smooth, continuous top rail that is welded for extra strength and durability, a pre-assembled vertical picket insert that contains welded pickets, which meet the 4-inch sphere rule for spacing, and rounded end loops which finish off each end of the handrail section while offering a continuous gripping surface for the entire length of the ramp. After the simple handrail post and end loop attachment, set the ramp in its desired location and it's ready for use. The Gateway 3G was designed for safety and engineered for reliability with its durable aluminum construction, making it a smart alternative to wood ramps. It will not rust, rot, or deteriorate and can stand up to the rigors of repeated, everyday use in all weather conditions. Available in 8 lengths ranging from 3 to 10 feet long, the Gateway 3G offers a standard 36 inches of usable width and a 1,000-pound weight capacity. This solid surface line benefits from a few essential features. A permanent extruded slip-resistant surface, which offers superior traction, making this the perfect ramp to improve access to your home. Raised side rails, also known as curbs that help prevent mobility devices from driving off the edge of the ramp, and a self-adjusting ground transition plate that provides smooth entry on or off the ramp on most surface types. The Easy Access Gateway 3G is virtually maintenance-free, comes with a lifetime warranty, and is made in the USA.